A flavorful curry that also counts as a chaat is super famous on the streets of Kolkata. Today we are making Ghugni. Let's see how to make it. Ghugni is made with white matar. I've soaked it overnight and it looks something like this right now. We're going to boil this in 2 cups of water. I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoon of salt to this, and we're going to mildly flavor this with half an onion that has been chopped into medium chunks. It's important that you boil the white peas in an open pan so that they don't become overly cooked and mushy. You want the peas to hold their shape. While the white peas are cooking, let's move on to the next step. We're going to cook the masala. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to a hot pan. I'm going to fry some fresh coconut over here. This is 1.5 tablespoons of chopped fresh coconut. This adds a nice texture to the ghugni. Once the coconut has a little bit of color, take it out. We're going to start by frying up some spices. I have a bay leaf here, dried red chili, a cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods and 2 cloves. We're going to saute this till the aroma releases. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera. I'm going to add in 1 onion which is sliced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and chili paste. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Once the onions have a little bit of color on them, we're going to add in some medium cubed potatoes. And with this, I'm also going to add half a tomato, which is also cut up into cubes. Let's make a spice paste. In a small bowl, I'm going to add some turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 3 tablespoons of water to this. This will ensure that the spices don't overcook and the flavors are released very nicely while we saute it. The potatoes are halfway done. Now to this we are going to add our spice paste and we are going to cook it till the oil releases. The oil has released from the spices. Now I am going to turn down the flame. Some of them have left the skin. Let's check if they are soft. They're soft, so now they're ready to go into our pan. I'm just going to drain the matar and add them directly to our pan. Toss the peas in all this masala. Now we're going to cook this further with the liquid that is left in our pot. Add about 1 to 1.5 cup of the liquid from your pot. And we're going to cover and let this cook till all the liquid is dried up. This smells so good right now. The water has completely dried up and the potatoes are done too. After switching off the flame, add around 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance all the flavors out. As the sugar melts, the ghugni is going to be nicely glazed. And now I'm going to serve this in a drone. I'm going to top this off with some imli chutney, some chopped onions, fried coconut, little bit of chopped coriander, lots of sliced green chilies, and we're going to finish it off with some Bhaja Masala. If you want to know how to make Bhaja Masala, let me know in the comment section below. Our aromatic, spicy and tangy ghugni is ready to serve. It's bursting with flavors and aromas. Definitely try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out.